the cook.
What, Kieran?
You take this back to the cook.
What's wrong with it?
I don't want to taste asparagus, and you take it back to the cook.
Kieran? Kieran, the cook wants you to have some asparagus. The cook wants you to have some asparagus.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Do you like yours, Sarah?
No, I don't want.
Sarah, is that delicious?
Kieran, are you being a brat?
You take this back to the cook.
The cook is not happy, Kieran.
Done.
Kieran,
Done.
do you know who the cook is?
Who's the cook, Kieran?
Mommy.
You think that's a very nice thing to tell Mommy?
You take this back to the cook. You take this back to the cook.
How would you like to be taken back to a timeout?
Done. I'm done, Mama. Done, Mama.
Sarah, June 27th, 2013. Sarah does not like to have her picture taken, Daddy.
Kieran?
I'm struggling.